video. Thank you for watching this video for being eligible Zulu Airdrop testnet. So the new task they added already on their onboard. So how do you accomplish and execute and done those tasks? I will show you today. So click on the comment box link where you will get my Zulu posted link that I want. Telegram already did post, so you will come into here and maybe you already did this thing. If you don't do this for watching this video, so let's get started. Now we will come into browser. That video you will get on the comment box, so check out comment box where you will get telegram channel link as well as the join video link. Okay, and yeah, if you already did, maybe you already your way, but I'm just showing you. Check out comment box where join video existence. Okay. So now the new task is here. Swap Adam swap and liquidity provider connection. Okay. So this task I will show you. I already showed the transparent transaction in the previous video that I already put on the comment box. So these two tasks I didn't show you because it's added yesterday. I did yesterday this task and I assume that I wonder that it would be better to give you instruction about this okay. So the new task here, swap Adam swap and liquidity provider. So how do you do that? You need to have faucet. How do you get faucet? These two network, BTC testnet and Zulu testnet. For Zulu testnet you need to go their Discord. Here is Discord link, and where you will see so now okay, I'm putting post link Telegram. So click on here. We are reading the instruction. What is the right on here? User can earn 100 points for each swap using Atom swap. By repeating this, user can earn up to a minimum of 300 GGP per day Atom swap on testnet. So that's mean 100 points each swap mean 3 times you can do that on each day. So click on for in order to do that task accomplish. So now if you notice that here you need to connect your wallet. Here I did MetaMask, so already connected. Maybe you're seeing your Zulu token existent. You will get that token through getting each day faucet. Okay, where you will get faucet, write down comment Discord. So check out their Discord And if you don't want to get faucet, you watching my previous video, I already showed you everything how do you join appropriate way properly in this airdrop. So if you want to know about, if you are new, check out my previous video. I said over and over again to you, if you are passionate about watching to participate this airdrop, okay, so this would be better, okay, if you watch my previous video and now is watching second one, okay. So select a token. So now here is, I will do Zulu to ZBTC, okay. So put your amount, non-worthwhile, put your amount and click on swap button. And while it will be waiting for confirmation, check out your MetaMask will get notified by that website exact and confirm that it will be done, and you will get 100 points for doing just one swap. So each time you will get 100 points. If you do that 3 times, you will get 300 point. And yeah, swap confirmed. If you come here, it's success, okay. So do 3 times, it will be some. And after doing that, I will show you how to do liquidity, okay, pool liquidity. So need to do 3 times swap, waiting for confirmation, same thing. Just um, if you understand, you can do that your way. You don't need to watch anymore any video. Just understand thing and implement that thing. Bam, nothing need, no one can uh, nothing, you need to rely on. So what is wait for here, sometimes it's being failed, so I'm hoping it will not be, okay, confirmed. We will get 200 points, okay, success. Now number 3 time, let's say I wanna do not 3 2, okay, swap, same. Check out your MetaMask account that get notified through your swapping notification, okay, that's good. And confirm, approve that thing, and bam, your swap task has been done. So I'm saying again, if you don't watch my previous video about Zulu airdrop, watching that, I will pin on the uh, or you can check out this video. If I wanted to put a link, check out that, okay. We complete that task. If you go here and if I click on swap this button, already 3 tasks done, okay. So now liquidity provider Adam swap, we come into again Adam swap. Here we do pool, come into pool, add liquidity and select token, let's say same, and 0.002, okay. Insufficient balance, okay, on, okay, add liquidity. Now same way, MetaMask will get notified it's failed, unfortunately, sorry for that. It doesn't make sense to me. Add liquidity again. Maybe my ZBTC is solo. If you don't have, okay, ZBTC max, okay, add liquidity. If I click on there, what happened? Let me see. Failed. It doesn't make sense to me. Okay, I'm showing you how do you do that. Okay, now let me see. I already add liquidity here. Maybe I need to remove that thing from here. Pulls here, yeah. Total token locked. I already did. Just I need to um, remove this thing. Okay, add liquidity. If I click on here, okay, I did once a time this one. PR status 223. Okay, if I click on here again, info, my token is this on Zulu. If I click on pools here, so here we go. Oops. Okay, now I'm saying, so click on this pool button. I've already ZBTC and Zulu did. So click on this arrow button and do 100% and remove your liquidity. Okay, I did this yesterday, therefore it's happening with me. Okay, so confirm your thing, waiting for confirmation, check out and cancel your remove your liquidity from that pool. Okay, so I'm showing you my removable section, and now I will add to show you. Okay, so that is done, removing liquidity, and it will be done, I'm hoping. Okay, done, confirmed. So come here, success, and if I click on this pool, add liquidity. Okay, if I refresh this page here, okay, click on add liquidity and select your token ZBTC, and if I do max, okay, max would be not appropriate way to do that. Maybe I need to, okay, I'm doing that again. 0.00 on, select token ZBTC. Okay, add liquidity, and now check your MetaMask confirmation here and confirm the button, and it will be done into the day. So add liquidity, here is loading, it will be confirmed like this. Okay, confirmed. So now if I go on this page, success, if I go Zulu on board, if I click on here, let me see, it's done. So now our task has been done. So join here, I will suggest you. Join our Telegram for getting new update about new airdrop. Okay, it will be better. Okay, so come into my Telegram.